Hey, what is up guys? In today's episode, I'm gonna help you diagnose your aftermarket CarPlay screen to figure out why your AC controls, steering wheel controls, and hazard lights wouldn't work. The first step would be to check if all your wiring harnesses were connected properly. I'll put a link in the description for my unit here and its reference diagnosis image. So huge shout out to Mighty Tech Store for providing the troubleshoot material for this video. The second way to troubleshoot would be that many users forget to plug in the RX-TX cable. This usually causes the AC, steering wheel, or hazard lights not to function properly. That's why Mighty Tech Store pre-assembles these cables before shipping to their customers. The third step would be to check if the needed two ports are only connected with the original CD port. Other wires should be plugged back to the original CD port as before. Some users forget to plug back the cables which should have been connected back to the CD player, and then it causes the AC not to work. And finally, the fourth step would be to check if the car model was chosen correctly. Make sure the screen is connected to the internet before setting the car model. Enter the car settings, find the canbus setting, set the car type to Lexus IS, and save to reboot. Comment down below if I was able to help you out. The link will be in the description. As always, if you've learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.